Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about describing people, places, and things.
So, Matthew, what's your new roommate like?
Well, if you have all day, I'll describe him to you. He's quite the character.
I don't have all day, dude, but basically, do you get along with him?
Actually, yeah, but that's only because we hardly ever see each other. The guy sleeps all day. Sometimes he gets up just to go to his classes, and then he comes back to the room and goes back to bed. Then he'll get up at midnight and study all night.
Really? You don't eat together, then?
The truth is, I don't even know when he eats, or where.
Then at least he doesn't leave a mess in the kitchen.
No. The guy is incredibly neat. He actually leaves the bathroom clean every day, and he doesn't seem to have dirty clothes. He's like a ghost.
Man, I think you have the perfect roommate.
What about yours? What's he like?
Well, he's the exact opposite of yours. We're a lot alike, and we're together a lot. I mean, we have 2 classes together, and we're in the same fraternity, so we're really good friends.
Sounds to me like you have the ideal roommate.
Well, yes, and no. Mine is a disaster in the house. In the first place, he always leaves a mess in the kitchen. He doesn't wash the dishes, or take out the trash. Plus, he throws his clothes all over the place. Not to mention how he leaves the bathroom.
Come on, Joshua, he sounds a lot like you. No wonder you get along so well.
Improving your conversation. In Matthew and Joshua's conversation, here are the following expressions, or words, that they used. So, to be like, will, well, dude, basically, actually, or, the truth is, really, hardly ever, at least, what about, I mean, in the first place, then, come on, wonder, quite the character, and, fraternity. We will discuss the meanings and uses of these expressions throughout the video.
So is used to begin a question that is not surprising, and may have even been expected. For example,
we are going somewhere together.
So when are we leaving? So
when are we leaving? So is to mean extremely. For example,
are you excited?
I can't wait to get there. I'm so excited. So
I can't wait to get there. I'm so excited. To be like. Like asks for a description of a person, place, or thing. For example,
what's his wife like? Is she nice?
Yes, she's very nice.
Like.
What's his wife like? Is she nice?
What's your new house like?
It's big, with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths.
Like.
What's your new house like? To be like. To be like is also a slang, informal expression that means to be thinking, or telling your reaction. For example,
What did your teacher tell you?
He told me I failed the English test, and I was like, oh man, my mom's going to be upset. Was like.
he told me I failed the English test, and I was like, oh man, my mom's going to be upset. To be like. Look like, smell like, and sound like express similarity of appearance, smell, and sound. For example, who's in the picture?
She's Julie. She looks like her mother. Looks like.
She's Julie. She looks like her mother. What's the smell?
This perfume smells like gardenias. Smells like.
This perfume smells like gardenias. Why are you laughing?
When I talk to you on the phone, you sound like your mom. Sound like.
When I talk to you on the phone, you sound like your mom. To be like. These same combinations can also mean seem like, to indicate a guess about what is happening. For example,
What are you looking up there?
it looks like it's going to rain. Looks like. It looks like it's going to rain.
What is it?
It smells like something's burning. Smells like. It smells like something's burning.
Are you okay?
My boss sounds like he's very upset. Sounds like. My boss sounds like he's very upset. To be like. When things are similar, they are said to be, look, smell, or sound alike. For example,
You guys are like, always into basketball.
that's why we're good friends.
Or like.
You guys are alike, always into basketball.
Aren't they beautiful?
The twins look alike. Look alike. The twins look alike.
Is there any difference?
No. These two roses smell alike. Smell alike. No. These two roses smell alike.
Does our voice sound okay?
You and Julie didn't sound alike. Sound alike. You and Julie didn't sound alike. Will. Will, usually in contraction form, I'll, is often used to make an offer to do something. For example,
I'll go to the store for you.
Are you sure?
I'll go to the store for you.
What are we going to do?
We'll wash the dishes. We'll.
We'll wash the dishes. Will. The same contraction can be used to emphasize that an activity is habitual. For example,
What are you doing when you're alone?
Sometimes when I'm alone, I'll go for a long walk. I'll.
sometimes when I'm alone I'll go for a long walk. Well. Well, indicates that what you plan to say next may need a little explanation. For example,
Did you write this letter?
well, yes, but I was upset at that time, and I really didn't mean everything I wrote. Well, yes, but I was upset at that time, and I really didn't mean everything I wrote. Dude. Dude is an informal, friendly way of calling a male friend or acquaintance instead of using his name. For example, dude, what time are we leaving tomorrow?
We'll live at 9 a.m.
Dude, what time are we leaving tomorrow? Basically indicates a summarized or generalized opinion. For example,
What's your teacher like?
Well, basically, he's the best teacher in the whole school. Basically.
well, basically, he's the best teacher in the whole school. Actually, the truth is. The terms actually and the truth is indicate that the speaker is telling the truth, even if it is surprising. For example,
Do you like your new job?
Actually, yes, even though I work 9 hours a day. Actually.
actually, yes, even though I work 9 hours a day. Actually, the truth is. Another expression that means the same thing is as a matter of fact. For example,
Are you moving?
As a matter of fact, I am. As a matter of fact.
as a matter of fact, I am. Really? Really? Is a way of asking if what was said was the truth. For example,
I'm not going to study tonight.
Really? I thought you had a test tomorrow. Really?
really? I thought you had a test tomorrow. Hardly ever. Hardly ever means almost never. For example, you hardly ever call me anymore. Are you mad at me?
No. I'm just so busy at work right now.
Hardly ever. You hardly ever call me anymore. Are you mad at me?
Hey, let's stop here. Now, we are done discussing about the following expressions. So, to be like, will, well, dude, basically, actually, or, the truth is, really, and, hardly ever. For the last 9 remaining expressions, please watch over the next video for the meanings and more uses of these words. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.